Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 1.2. This lesson is on algebraic fractions. We'll have two lessons on algebraic fractions. One is on multiplying them and one is on adding and subtracting. So we're going to start with multiplying. Algebraic fractions look like this, so they're fractions that have variables in them. And to multiply them, we just multiply across. So you're going to multiply the numerators together, multiply the denominators together, and then just make sure you've fully simplified and have combined like terms. So to multiply these two together, I would just put them together. So it's going to be 2x times x minus 1 all over x minus 4, x plus 4. All right, and then I just need to do the multiplications. So let's start on the top. I can distribute the 2x. So on the top, I'll have 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. And then in the denominator, we'll have x times x and x times 4. So that gives me x squared and 4x. And then we have negative 4 times x and negative 4 times 4. So minus 4x and minus 16. All right, so that takes care of all the multiplications. So we multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators. Now we just need to make sure we have everything fully simplified. So the numerator, all like terms are already combined in the numerator. In the denominator, we just have one set of like terms. It's the positive 4x and the minus 4x. And those actually add to 0. 4x minus 4x is 0, so those are going to cancel out. And we're left with 2x squared minus 2x all over x squared minus 16. And that is our final answer. All right, so we're just going to do two more examples of that. Okay, so multiplying fractions, we multiply across. So we get x times x minus 6 all over 2x minus 1 times x plus 6. So in the numerator, we'll distribute the x. So we get x times x is x squared, x times minus 6 is minus 6x. And then in the denominator, we'll distribute the 2x. So that gives us 2x squared, and then 2x times 6 is 12x. And then we will distribute the minus 1. So we get minus x and minus 6. So that's the multiplication part. And then we just need to make sure we simplify. So combine like terms. In the numerator, all of our like terms are already combined. So we just need to combine like terms in the denominator. So we have the 12x and the minus x that we're combining. And we end up with x squared minus 6x, all divided by 2x squared, plus 12x minus x gives us plus 11x. And then we have minus 6 at the end. All right, that's our final answer. Okay, one more example. X minus 1 over x squared times x plus 4 over x plus 5. So multiplying across, we multiply the numerators, x minus 1 times x plus 4, and multiply the denominators, so x squared times x plus 5. Okay, so in the numerator, we're going to distribute the x. So that gives us x squared plus 4x. And we will distribute the minus 1. So that gives us minus x minus 4. And then in the denominator, we need to distribute x squared. So x squared times x is x to the third, and then x squared times, times 5 is plus 5x squared. And this time we're combining like terms in the numerator. So we have the 4x and the minus x that we can combine. So in the numerator we have x squared. 4x minus x is plus 3x minus 4, all divided by x cubed plus 5x squared. No like terms in the denominator. So that's our final answer. And that's all there is to this lesson. So yeah, that's how you multiply algebraic fractions.